the software that is not only complicated to build the software, because there are a lot of companies that they don't understand the software is still an engineering practice, but is due to the competition how to sell it in marketing. This was an intriguing aspect that we never touched. Do you have anything else, Fabio, that you want to share as your expertise?
I want to say that, of course, there's no guarantee that if you do projects under licensing, they will go 100%, to be a success. Of course, it's a risk involved because it's still a business, a venture. But if it goes, to market, the multiple that you do on a licensing deal is between 20 and 50 times more the investment in less than 2-3 years. So usually the average of the success rate on the projects that I do, like 30%, they die, they don't go anywhere. 50% they do well. When I say well, they do like 3-4 times, the investment. And another 20% they do fantastic. But again, I'm the kind of person that, is not afraid and always, to build the business instead of waiting that, okay, now it's not the right time and now it's not the right moment, that's not the right partner. Now, people sometimes they spend too much time thinking the wrong things. And I'm, the kind of person that if there's an idea and there's a good idea and there is a good people, and let's go and let's see what happens in the next 12 months. But as far as, the branding, just to put a note on the branding, licensing IP means licensing technology and licensing also brand. When I say brand, a brand to me, it's a name that is recognized worldwide. Companies that, even though they have a strong business, 20, 50, 60 million euros business, they think they have a brand. But if that brand, that name is only present, in Italy, or only present in Germany or in France or Spain, it's not a brand. It's just a label. A brand, something that if you fly to Brazil or if you fly to Jamaica or if you fly to New York, everybody knows that name because that's a brand, something that everybody can, understand what they do if you mention their name. And just to not to create confusion, it's not something that, says, oh, I created my brand 2 years ago, I want to license it. That's not possible. You need to license an asset, which means something that people can recognize as something important. It's not just because I am in the store and people buy my jeans or my jacket. It means I have a brand. That is a label.